everyone. You are watching a video on our YouTube channel English with Shyam Patidar. Here are the so many participants today who are going to discuss with me on a very important topic. Today we all are going to discuss about Indian farmers. We will discuss about their current situations. Right now so many farmers are not satisfied. So you have to tell me what are the reasons. Should we blame government? Yes, should we blame a farmer himself? We all have to discuss about it. One by one you all will get a chance to speak on this simple topic. Okay, recently you have been promoted in spoken classes, so you are free to make mistake, don't think about mistakes. So are you ready everyone?
Yes sir.
Really?
Yes sir.
So now guys, let's get started. Okay guys, who is going to start first? You, please. What do you think?
Thank you so much, sir, for giving the first opportunity. My name is Priyanshi Patel. I think the farmer never would like that our children also become a farmer, because in corona epidemic the onion was going on in my home, and my father had a fully trust it will be go in the good amount, and at that time the government decreased the price of onion, and my father was so regretting that it has gone in a very less amount. That's why they will never want that never want that my children also become a farmer.
It means in short you are not satisfied. It means your father is not satisfied being farmer. Okay, next one. Who is the next one? Yes, please.
Sir, thank you. My name is Tawfiq Mirza. According to me, every farmer have enough knowledge about their field. They know how to crops and how to lead a good profit. But they don't know how about marketing field. They are unable to get a good profit from the market side. That's why they don't want to make his son life in farming field.
Okay, so it means you think that farmers should be educated more.
Yes, sir.
I don't think that it is like that, because to do farming you need to have physical knowledge, practical knowledge in short. So what about it?
But we are seeing that today world slowly going towards technology, and every farmer has adopted new technology to crops their grain. So I think that farmers should be educated, and if a farmer would start educated, so they can earn more and more profit.
Okay, right now it means the current situation of farmer is just because of farmers, right? Okay, next one. Yes.
Good morning all of you. My name is Srishti Dashore, and I think that we can see that if we are in different posts, but still we are depending on farmers, because they are sowing crops in their fields, and they are working entire the year, but they are not satisfied because they are not getting profit as they want. They are deserving much profit, but sometimes it happens that they have to depend on climate, they have to depend on weather, so it is very risky. That's why they are not satisfied. But they are most hardworking in our country, because they provide food. They are a grain provider, we can say. They provide grain to all our country. So I think government should improve. Government should do some policies for farmers.
Okay. In short, farmers are dependent on climate, and in farming there is a risk. That's why they are not satisfied. So I think risk is everywhere. You will get your turn again, okay?
My name is Sahir Hussain, and sir, every know very well the condition of now the current situation of farmer, because the farmer are very hard worker man, and the farmer as hard worker as a normal being. Human being. So normal are pay their 100% on their field, and they get good profit from their fields. But according to this condition, the government are not able to provide the good profit and good sales price of his crops and grades. So and that is why the reason is so clear. The farmer don't want to the children's become as a farmer, because it is.
Okay. I will also ask you that how can we overcome this problem. But first of all, I just want to know about your perspective. Yes, please.
I think our farmer, whether I agree this point, our farmer adopt the equipments of scientific, but they don't adopt the way of scientific way. They don't adopt these things. And sir, I think government provide all the facilities, but before sometimes Rusty said that our farmer depend on the climate. So it is not mean we can face the problem, and I have one idea how can we face the problem, and it means nowadays our country provide agriculture field education also, so we can learn these things through the agriculture field and we can implement in our farm.
in one word, who is responsible?
Sir, I think both are responsible. Some profit
So
and
you think that farmers are not satisfied? Okay. Here, anyone who thinks that farmers are satisfied? Anyone? No one? Yes, please. What do you think?
I think that farmers are not satisfied just because of as they want profit, but they can't achieve that profit. Just because of government don't think about farmers, they only think that they should provide all things to every people in low cost. But they don't think that farmers also have family, farmers also have children. So they will sell all things, all crops and all things to in high price. As we know that day by day all things are increasing, all things price are increasing day by day. But people don't think about their farmers' crops and
Pesticides.
yes. So I think that government should do something for farmers, that they will survive in their life with their family and their children also.
Okay. It means you think that government should do something. Okay. Next one. Yes, please.
As we all know that we get everything like whenever we eat food, so it's the give by us that by the farmers, and they do the work day and night. And a great person said that if a farmer has a huge land and much water, so they can get money, they can get much money in 1 and 2 times. But what about that farmers that they have no more money and they have and they have no much water, they are surviving, they have no money and they can't do, and they just do work hard, they just hard work, and they do not want to make their children as a farmer. They just want to make their children that they should do job, because our society think that if a man do any job, so they are a respectable person, but our society don't respect a farmer.
Okay. Our society is not respecting our farmers. Yes. One by one. Yes. First.
I am Pawan Tirole. I think every farmers are not satisfied from himself, because farmers get yield. That time yield prices fall down, but and yield prices is not permanently, but seed prices and insecticide fertilizer prices is permanently, and day by day seed prices and insecticide prices are increased, but yield prices are not increased.
Okay. Because fertilizers and seeds are having a same price.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what about crop price? It is decreasing. It is increasing. But the seeds, the fertilizers are at a same price.
I am Afshan Khan. Nowadays, farmer condition is very bad, and farmer doing hard working day and night. And sir,
Just say something. Don't think out.
the government not provided proper money of value crops.
Okay. They are not providing proper value of particular crop. Okay, that's that. No problem. No problem. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir. My name is Misbah Sheikh. So, it is good thing because there are so many opportunities in agriculture field, like AO, agriculture officer, we can become, and we can go through the banking sector. So that is good thing. And nowadays farmers suffer from very rubbish condition. So it is not good.
Okay, that's not good. You don't like the current situation of. Okay. Yes.
I thank you, sir, giving me this opportunity. I think a farmer do not want to his boy is farming, because farmer know how many problem created in farming, and this in new generation this time is so many crime related to farming, related to farming,
Okay, just carry on.
and that's why farmer do not want to his boy is farming.
Okay. It means no farmer wants their son to be farmer?
I think farmer is not satisfied because farmer do high work day to night and use of high quality seeds and irrigation equipment for high yielding. But sometimes farmer have to face to many situation like this climate problem, weather problem. But farmer when the sell her grain, he is not satisfied good amount.
Really great. You said really fantastic points. Okay, so you all said your views. I just want to ask you, all of you. You are talking about I am not satisfied, but answer my question that how can make them satisfied? What are the policies that government should implement? What are the policies? Okay, yes.
Sir, I have a strong point because when any kind of crops comes in India, like onions and potato, so I would like to take the example of onion. So when the quantity of onions, the quantity is much in come in India. So why government decrease automatically the price of onion? It is so there is a good there is a fault of government.
Okay. It means just like a wheat. Wheat is having a particular price. Wherever you are going to sell, you will get a fixed amount. Especially in the society right now. So every crop should be like that. Every crop should have a proper at a particular price. Okay, that's really great. Okay, next one who is going to, yes.
Sir, I think government should provide them some facilities like Pawan has said that rate of fertilizers and seeds are increasing, but the rate of crop is depend on quantity. Yes. So government should understand when the quantity of crop is not much, so that time government should purchase from them in a high rate. So the government, farmers can be motivated, and that time, and then if the farmers so much field, so that time government should provide them some technologies also. If they are obtaining some technologies, so government should help them.
Okay, government should help them. In short, yes.
Sir, in our country said that it's a very famous slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. But it is not nowadays. Farmer has no respect as much we should, as much we should. So I think we should respect on farmer. And how can we, our government, how can we do? So I think government should provide the facility, all the facilities like that. How can we this crops? How can we do the scientific way? So it's provide government.
Okay, it means overall only government can provide improvement in the farming. Okay, anyone? Yes.
Sir, all were saying that government should provide some policy for farmer. But my thinking is that after providing that policy to the farmer will never satisfy with this policy, because farmer is a human, and it is a nature of human that human never will satisfied with current position. They want one step ahead. Every human and every farmer has think in mind, they want more and more. So I think farmer will never satisfy up to end.
Demanding for rights is not good, I think, according to you. They are demanding for rights. They want their crop should be sold in a particular price. So they are demanding of rights. What is wrong here? But suppose you know what's your right towards your nation. If you are demanding for that, you are demanding for scholarship, you are demanding for something else. So it is bad because your points are talking about it.
Yes, sir. After fulfillment demand of farmers by government, so it is a good for farmer. But my point is that farmer is a human, and we know that nature of the human will never satisfied with the current position. Take an example of a teacher. Teacher will never make his son life into the teaching field. He always want more. So that is my
I just
point.
want to ask a last question to all of you. Every doctor wants his son to be doctor. Engineer wants engineer. Okay, teacher wants teacher. But what about farmers? What happens in the case of farmer? Why they do not want their son to be farmer? So now it is the fault of farmer. Now here you can't blame the government. So if you are having this sort of mentality, so how can you blame government here? So now just answer my first question, that why the farmers do not want their son to be farmer? One by one.
Because they know that how many problems in the formals field, that they do work day and night, but they can't get much money, and they just think that we are wasting our time, that whatever we are doing in a good our field, but we can't get it, and no one respect us. So why they that's why they think that their son should not be a farmer.
Yes, that's really great. Yes, you. What do you think?
My point is also that they know what is the struggle in this field, and they are working, but still they are not getting much profit, and they know this job is very risky. So they want a secure future for their son. So that's why they believe that they should not be
I
as a
just want to
farmer.
ask one more question. You are talking about security. In business, there is also risk, but the businessman wants their son to be businessman. So you can't say like that. There is in farming there is risk. Okay.
So as you say that businessmen take risk, but so many times businessmen son they working like nepotism, that if the father is in businessman, so his sons continues in business. But if we are talking about farmers, so people said farmer that annadata. And everyone knows that if farmer do not do farming, so we can't eat something. We are unable to eat something. So they know that there are so many struggle in this field, and they know that no one can do something for that. Also, nature don't help farmers. That we know that the rainy season, so heavy rains destroy all crops for farmers. But if we are talking about government also, so government also don't help farmers. If any farmers committed suicide, so government only only give them compensation, but they don't think that what about their families and their children. They don't do study without their father and without any
I just
help.
want to ask, everybody nobody is going to do farming, so who will do farming in life, in future? Nobody wants their son to be farmer. Okay, you all are educated. You all would be agree. I am damn sure about it. That if I will ask that, what would you want from your son? You will never say farming. So who will do farming in life? What about the life of farmers? How will you eat if there would be no farmer? Yes, who will answer it? Who will answer? Yes.
Sir, the person who willingly wants to work in this field, so he can choose. But if a person has no mind in study, if he don't want to study much ahead, so he can choose farming.
Okay, what about business? In business, you need to study. Who is the richest person of India? Mukesh Ambani. Who is the father of that man? He was not even graduate. What about, so to do business, we don't need to have a proper study. So it is not like that if you are not having a interest in a study, so you can't do. Farmers, even I have seen so many educated people are who are doing farming. So what about it? Who is going to answer? Yes, please.
As we know, there are so many field in agriculture. As they said that there are so many field in agriculture field,
Yes.
and who wants to do something in farming, so they can study agriculture field and they will become farmer. And we know that there are, this time is technical time, and we know that we can farming in a new way in technical. If we are talking about technical field, so farmer can do everything according to nature also.
Okay, according to nature also. Okay, now guys, now we are just concluding this topic. So you all are having only 10 to 15 seconds. In this 10 to 15 seconds, you all have to finish your conclusion. One by one, all will get chance. I will try. Okay, I will try. Okay, so first Gaurav.
Sir, I think
Yes.
I think government provide the
Only 10 to 15 seconds you are having. Okay, yes.
yes sir. Sir, I think our farmer take a interest in this field because they cannot get whenever he cannot get the up to
price.
yes, up to when he cannot get profit in this field, whenever up to when he cannot interest in this field.
When he
So I-
will have to have interest. Okay, yes. Conclude in 10 to 15 seconds.
Yes, sir. Sir, according to me, if you are interested in farmer field, so you should try. And you have no idea about the farmer field, so you can't do farmer.
Okay, if you don't have any idea, so I think nobody is going to do farming if they don't have idea. Okay, yes.
Sir, according to me, government should make a proper policy, better policy for farmer.
Speak loudly. Yes.
For farmer, which we can get more and more profit.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Afsan.
Sir, I am not idea for about farming, so I am not doing farming in future.
No, you don't have to do farming, but what about farmers? You can see you are from Nimad. You know about the condition of farmers. So now you have to conclude. What should they do? Yes. Don't think about mistakes. Speak freely.
Sir, farmer condition is very bad and not proper value of crops and government not provide compensation
Properly. Okay. That's really good. Yes.
According to my, farmers should be a technical farming, but technical farming farming is not possible for a small farmer. Then government should be provide facilities for small farmer.
Okay. Yes.
Sir, according to me, if government give more money for poor person, so they can able to become a agriculture field.
Okay, no problem. No, just try to speak in conclusion that how can we change this? It means how can we change the situation of farmers? You have to say in your conclusion. Yes. Please.
Sir, if government will not decrease the amount of
Seeds.
vegetables and seeds, so definitely farmer will be sacrificed.
Okay.
In the end, I want to conclude by saying that everything is depend on patience. So farmers must have patience. They have to deal with all situation, and government also should help by giving them facilities.
Okay. Next, you.
I am agree with Srishti, and the farmers should do their work with the honesty, and that karma hi puja hai.
Yes.
So they should do their work with the honesty, and government should also provide new policy, and they should change the policy of the farmers, and they
Just give me this mic. Okay, now next one. Yes. Would you like to say? Yes, please.
According to me, government should permanently MSP, and I think government should MSP whole years.
What is MSP?
MSP is a minimum support price. Is provided by government.
Okay, that's really great. Okay. Yes. Just conclude now.
According to me, I think that government should aware about farmers, and they should help farmers to appreciate them to do farming.
Okay. Yes. Nandan, last. Yes.
I think government are not able to good amount of farmer according to his diligence.
Okay. So now guys, they have been promoted and spoken recently. Now you can see, I think we should all appreciate their efforts. Okay, but I just want to tell you guys, what do you think practically? How can we change the current situation of farmers? You can tell me in comments that, sir, I think so. Whatever you think, you can tell me by doing comments. So thank you so much. If you enjoyed the video, so please share it. Do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Thank you so much.